Good afternoon. I am not Steve Nelson. My name is Steve Beck. I'm a prosecutor in the District Attorney's Office, and I'm here on behalf of Steve Nelson, who is a prosecutor, not a politician. And because he's a prosecutor, he's waiting for a jury in the Matheson courthouse. Over the course of the last 2 days, he has tried an attempted aggravated murder case before a jury, and that jury is still deliberating, and so he has to be ready at a moment's notice. He was really looking forward to coming and being here with you this afternoon. He was here at the Magna parade on the 4th of July, and he said, and I'm not just saying this because we're in Magna, that was the best parade that we participated in. He had a really good time out there with you in Magna. So he's really upset that he couldn't be here with you. I guess it's only fair that I'm here in his stead because I and my colleagues in the District Attorney's Office, prosecutors, secretaries, paralegals, data entry specialists, recruited Steve to run for this office. And we did that because the things in the District Attorney's Office are not working right now. The philosophies and policies that Sim Guild has put into place are harming our community. The early case resolution program has led to an increase in recidivism, and that's a fact that has been documented by a study by the University of Utah. An increase in recidivism increases costs, it increases crime, it increases the harm to our community. So that is something that Steve Nelson is committed to fixing. Another thing that is broken in the District Attorney's Office, when Sim Gill took office, he dismantled the domestic violence team. Having a specialized domestic violence team is recognized by the National District Attorneys Association as a best practice in prosecution. The conviction rate on domestic violence went from 70% before Sim Gill took office to now we barely get a conviction in 20% of cases of domestic violence. And that's because there is no longer a team of specialized prosecutors dedicated to working with the victims who are impacted by domestic violence. Steve is committed to restoring the domestic violence team and to serving victims who are affected by domestic violence. I'll tell you a little bit about Steve since he can't be here. He's a graduate of West High School in Salt Lake City. He got his bachelor's degree in economics from Westminster University. He got his law degree at the University of Utah and his PhD at the University of Utah. I like to say in his spare time because he also has 4 little kids, 2 of whom are twins. He teaches classes up at the University of Utah. He's a brilliant man. I wish he could be here. I would encourage you to pick up one of his pamphlets and email him. He'll get right back to you. He'll call you. He'll come visit you if you'd like. He's very approachable, and that's why I and my colleagues in the District Attorney's Office recruited him to run for District Attorney. Again, he's not a politician. He's a prosecutor, and he's a darn fine one at that, I might add. He's nationally recognized as an expert in drug endangered children, which is a major factor in our communities. I work in the juvenile court. I see on a daily basis the impact that drugs have on our children, and Steve is a nationally recognized expert. So please, I encourage you to vote for Steve Nelson for Salt Lake County District Attorney.